Hey there, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to hide the author name on your WordPress posts in 2025 using a fast and easy method, even if you're not a tech wizard. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly remove those author names from your blog posts, giving your site a cleaner, more professional look, or just a touch more privacy if you'd rather your name not be front and center. Let's dive right in. First up, we're going to use a plugin for this task because honestly, it's the safest and fastest way to do it. No need to dig into tricky code or risk messing up your site's design. Think of a plugin as a handy tool you can install. It does the heavy lifting and you just flip a switch. Start by heading to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, find Plugins and then click on Add New. It might take a few seconds to load the page, don't worry, that's normal. At the top right, you'll see a search field. In this box, type in WP Meta and Date Remover. This is a popular, reliable plugin that specializes in cleaning up those little meta details like dates and author names across your posts. Wait for the search results to load and you'll see WP Meta and Date Remover pop up near the top. Go ahead and click Install Now. Once you click, the button should change to Activate. Make sure to click that too. This step is crucial because installing a plugin doesn't automatically turn it on. Activating it is what actually lets it start working on your site. Next, you'll need to tweak a setting or two. Most of the time, plugin settings can be found either under Settings or Appearance in your dashboard sidebar. If you don't see it right away, just take a quick look through each. You'll spot it labeled clearly. Click into the plugin settings and here, where the magic happens, look for an option that says something like Hide Author Name on Posts. Usually it's just a toggle switch or a checkbox. Now, why is toggling this so important? Well, it tells WordPress to automatically remove the author name meta from all your posts, so you don't have to update each post individually. This saves you a ton of time. Imagine having hundreds of posts and no longer seeing your name on each one unless you really want it there. Once you've found and toggled the Hide Author Name option, don't forget to scroll down and hit Save if you see that button. This part's easy to overlook in the excitement of getting things set up, but saving locks in your changes. Without it, nothing will actually update. Now head over to your live site and refresh a post page. Take a moment and check, is your author name gone? If it's still there, don't panic. Sometimes your browser might be showing a cached version of the page. You can try clearing your browser cache or visiting the site in a private or incognito window, and that's it. You've successfully hidden the author name across your WordPress posts in just a few clicks, and you didn't have to touch a single line of code. Pretty satisfying, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or ran into a snag, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips, tricks, and fast solutions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.